Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up pizza poppers on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. We're using Royal Oak lump charcoal, that is. You want to add chunks, go ahead. So these jalapenos, you're gonna gut them out, and you're gonna leave it like a canoe. Fill them up after you gut them with shredded mozzarella. Slice up some pepperoni. You could add anything you want. Whatever kind of pizza you want. We're going with pepperoni pizza, my son's favorite. And then we're going to put a little shredded Parmesan, cap the lid, wrap it in bacon, cook it indirect at about 275, 300 degrees for like an hour or so. And they're going to be delicious. Check on these poppers. Oh. We still got a little while to go, and we decided to skip. This is the never-ending popper challenge. We decided to skip on Keith Bettag's favorite ingredient on jalapeno poppers, that cream cheese. We had to leave it in the fridge. It wasn't welcome today. Keith, I'm sorry, man. No cream cheese. Love you, brother. Cheers. Now at this moment, you can also season the top, which I might, maybe. Yes, I'm going to season the top really quick because I just put them on 10 minutes ago. I'm going to put a little garlic powder on top, and hell yeah, garlic powder on any pizza, always delicious. Red pepper onion, or red pepper flakes, those are always good too. Let's get to seasoning. Oh, well, yeah, I love the smell of garlic, and I really dig the smell of onions cooking. Oh, I love that smell too. Oh, I might have some ideas down the road for another popper just came into mind. Anyway, let's get these cooked up, slice into one, see what we got going. I'm sure it's gonna be dynamite. Poppers are always rocking, right? Right. Comment down below, what's your favorite style of popper? So the pizza poppers just came out looking and smelling delicious. Oh, hell yeah. So we're not even going to slice it. We're going to bite it, and it's going to be awesome. Oh, hell yeah. First, let's hydrate. Hell yeah. Pizza popper. The good way. Check the, yeah, none of that frozen crap in your frozen foods. Pizza poppers. This is the way to go. Oh, hell yeah. Man. Damn. Oh, yeah. Man. Can't go wrong there. A little kick of heat in the back end. That's a good pizza popper right there. Man, do that for sure. Weber Kettle, always kicking ass. And let's shut this ink bird off. 275, 300. Oh, hell yeah. Man, for about an hour. Get creative with your poppers, folks. What's a great idea that you're going to do down the road or already have had done? Leave a link down below. Comment down below. And subscribers your first time here, comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is. Anyway, the pizza poppers, all we're using is mozzarella sliced cheese. We're gutting them out pretty good. Add that sliced mozzarella cheese or shredded mozzarella cheese. Jesus. Do you love Keith Bethag's favorite ingredient? Cream cheese in them?